So keep in mind, composition and improvisation, really two sides of the same coin. Just one is a little faster than the other. Okay, here's the prompt. 1. Watch the silent movie clip just once without an instrument. 2. Watch it a second time, this time with your instrument in your hand. Number 3. Don't think scales, don't think patterns. Play what's on the screen. Just respond to what's on the screen. You got it. And if you're an experimental type of guitar player and you want to check out more of this stuff, hit subscribe.